This is a journey into sound. This is a journey into sound. No drop top, London girl them hot.
We are the people. Nation of Vikings nation. Hello YouTube, what's good? It's been a minute. Okay, more than a minute, but hey girl, been here as usual. You know, say I gotta do my brows off camera. Yo, this took me one. I'm never gonna lie, this took me a while because I haven't done makeup in months, okay? But anyway, I'm just going for a simple glam today. I don't remember what my last video was about, but yeah, I'm gonna do a simple glam today. So anyways, brows done, so I'm gonna jump into the eyes. So pretty much I think I have enough concealer or base on my eyes so far, so I'm gonna set this with my Black Radiance powder, okay? Supernatural looks. I think I'm gonna go for a supernatural look, like just a natural glam. Anyways, don't pay my mind. So I'm currently drinking this drink that I made. It's like a freaking, I don't know. I'm going into my freaking, yeah, this palette. Just like this, and it's pretty good. It's a cheap, pretty, I'm impressed with the quality of this palette, and I use it like my to-go palette because I use like the shadows for highlight. I'm using these two colors over here. Like I said, I'm going for like a very subtle, natural freaking glam. So I'm using my Skin Dineva setting spray as my primer because I don't know where my primer is, okay? Ooh. Skin, honey, skin. I'm using my Maybelline 24-hour stay. My face been like super breaking out, so I want to cover these freaking areas that got problems. Okay, so like this area is dark, and like I said, my face broke out for whatever reason. It has a mind of its own, so I can't really, you know. Pumps, not too crazy. On my face with my Maybelline Fit Me. So now I want to go in with my Sacha buttercup. Going in with our contour palette. Lashes, I like to do my my lashes first before I apply them. I'll get a handy dandy tweezer, and I'm using these lashes. Tried these just because they're like a little bit wispier. Yeah, I'm telling you, doable. At first I was dosing it, but it works, sis. It does. Down to the final touches, just the lips and highlights. So I'm using my freaking brown pencil. I know my lips look like white or whatever. I'm just using this to line the lips. Bam! Just like that, you got magic. And then my favorite new lippie, and this is Glazed, and this is called Candy K. Like, Candy K is so bomb. So I'm at the finishing touch. I have like 3 freaking minutes left on my camera, so I'm at the last part of my video where it's just highlight, and I'm using this highlighter. It's called Always Need Love. Oh, it says all you need is love. My bad, I can't read. Oh, my OG highlighter is Glow by Anastasia. Of course, Glow. This came out in December. This was like a gift to myself, but it's all wrecked up, but it works. And you know, I gotta brighten up my eyes. My eyes gonna get a little glow, you know. Yes, yes, yes. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl channel. So yes, yes, sis. Until next time.